This is Argentina. And I'm stuck in the ground. I'm just... Oh, look, there's a friend. I'm getting a new... Oh. Alright. This is Egypt. Whoa. This is Micronesia. Whoa. Oh, I'm actually supposed to be very, very small, but I'm actually a very, very big country. This is Czechia. Wow. Whoa. It's like a ticker in my body. Do you want me to get him out? Yes, please. Quick, we need China here. Whoa. Oh. Now, yikes, what is going on? Oh, yeah. Hey, this is El Salvador. I am a country. I don't know why I said that. Whatever. Alright, we're waiting. We're waiting. Ah! Don't cry for me, Georgia. Oh, wait. Wrong song. This is Thailand. Whoa! Whoa! What's going on? This is so cursed right now. Hey, there's been a problem with people. Hey guys, did you hear the news? There's a problem going on with YouTube's dislike system, and everyone does not like it. I think it's a good idea, alright? Yeah. That way it will stop all dislike attacks. But you know what I think they should do? They should actually add a system, like an option where you don't have to have dislikes disabled. Yeah, you can enable them wherever you want. This is San Marino. I was just showing my opinion. Oh. What is this machine? Whoa! 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 What's rolling? Oh my... That was the most cursed explosion ever. Oh my god. What's with the physics in this game? Uh-oh, Guyana's spinning. Oh my god, he was one spinny boy. Oh! Just popped off the edge. Let's get him out of here quicker. Woo! Hey, I'm down here. Did you guys want to know what happened to me today at school? Well, it was lunchtime, yeah, and then I all of a sudden tripped and hurt myself, and then I had first aid. And then I was bleeding everywhere, and I was crying. Just thought I'd tell you. It happened on Monday, the 22nd of November, at around 12 p.m. Anyway, this is Vanuatu. Oh! Hey! Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Oh my god! What? Bro, that guy carried Monaco. Oh my god, yeah. Yeah, you can see it right here. Anyway. Oh, it's Guyana's return. Oh. We gotta be careful around Monaco and Vanuatu. Because let's just let Vanuatu keep carrying Monaco. Whoa! He's carrying him by the trunk. Oh no! Oh no, that was the most beautiful. Oh, oh wait, Monaco's Master Klingon. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, it's lifting him up from the ground like a crane. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. At the bottom of the screen. Whoa. Wait, what happened to Romania? Oh yeah, keep me hanging. Oh no, it's Brazil. Oh! Oh, hey! Monaco just moved further up the line. Of islands, actually. He actually got in between two brand new islands. Wow. Hey, this is Dominican Republic. I'm here. Ah, get out of here. Oh my god. Look at me, look at that. Look at that. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh no, please don't tip over. Monaco, no! Oh man. That was the most beautiful thing ever! Whoa. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Sorry. Sorry, guys. Anyway. That's cursed. Oh my god, that's cursed. That's cursed. Oh my god. Cursed. Are you gonna continue the episode or what? Yeah, I am, gang. Oh. Oh, right. Sorry. Marshall Islands! Ah! Oops! Accidentally picked the wrong country. Ah! This is Ecuador. We look for my... Have you ever seen my guy? Uruguay? Uruguay? Yeah, he should be here any minute now. Any minute. Yeah. Oh. I haven't met him. I'm so excited to see him. Oh, man. Keep clicking the wrong country. Fuck. And guys, don't even bother telling me the correct answers in the comments. I actually know them. I just accidentally clicked them by accident. Whatever. Oh, now it's just this big, garbled, multicolored mess of countries. I mean, oh my god. Just look at this place. I'm here to make I'm building a house here. This is where I should build my house. Yay, it's... Alright, I completed in like 2 seconds. I'm very fast at building houses. Wait, isn't this a porta cabin? No, it's a house. It looks like a porta cabin. You could put them up in like 2 seconds. Yeah, I agree. Anyway, you see Zambia. Oh! Uh-oh, you're lifting up the porta cabin Norwegian house. Hey, you know what? I think you guys should go check out the main channel, Sierra Leone Network Revives. And also make sure to check out my good friend, Minnesota and Oregon. Yeah, he makes pretty good videos, and I'm pretty inspired by him when he makes these videos. Whoa! Oh, look, we've added a little chimney. Hey, a little getting decorative today, huh? Uh-oh. It's slowly moving away. Can you guys see? Whoa. I'm like a little cat. A little cat. Whoa! Did you see that little dip? Norway and Guinea fit into that perfectly. I don't know if you can really see it or not. If you can really notice it. Whatever. Botswana! Whoa! Oh, I gotta go! Oh no! The Norwegian house is sinking! Oh! It's bringing all the other countries! Oh! That was like a trebuchet! Quick. Madagascar! Let's get out of here! Get out of here! Whoa, what was going on? I don't know. This is Finland. Whoa! This is Ethiopia. I'm here. I'm here. I just want to stay here. Whoa! Whoa! This is Germany. Oh. Now we wait. There we go. This is Rwanda. Whoa! Wasn't expecting it to shake this much. Ah! Guys, I know the capital of Uzbekistan is Tashkent. Clicked on the wrong one. Sorry. This is Nigeria. Whoa! Wow! I'm actually starting to grow hair everywhere. This is Africa. This is Gambia. Whoa! Oh no, I just let out a big one. Ew! Get rid of the poop! Guys, he's not poop. Yes, he is. Get him out of here. Get him out of here! Whoa! You're coming with me! Ew. He was carrying the poop. Yeah, I know. Should we wrap up this episode? Yeah, I think we should. Anyway, that's it. Bye, guys. Bye. Bye.